What's up, guys? I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm fishing a small lake. The weather is going to be pretty crappy today. I actually traveled an hour and a half away just to get out of the a storm's reach. The skies right now are really cloudy. It's really cloudy out, and I don't know if the storm is going to reach here or not, but I'm going to keep watch on my radar. Actually, that blue dot is where we're at, and that is a storm. So if you could see, we're just around the outside of it. So let's see if we could catch some topwater fish, because very low light conditions. The lake right now, it's a little windy, so there definitely is current on the lake, and the water is clear. So I'm gonna start throwing my popper frog, because there's a little bit of grass on the outer bank here, and see what I can catch. Let's go. There's one on the top water. All right, bud. Yeah. All right, head shakes for days. It's a decent size. I saw him grab that right. He was in the weeds too. He's right in those weeds, and I saw him. One and a half. Yeah. Nice fish though. He's got a big head. He's been marked up a couple times. Nice fish. Beautiful. All right, buddy. Nice. He was hiding right in the grass. I saw him as soon as I had that thing. Man, I love this lure. This is my favorite lure. You know, just how realistic it looks, and I mean, it has rattles, and these hooks are actually very sticky. The only complaint about these hooks is they are sharp, but the hook grade isn't the best. Some of them are actually bending already, so I'm gonna have to switch them out with a little bit better hooks. Bluegill? What? What? It got in the gill. It probably swiped it.
It did.
Yeah, swiped it. Man, there you go. Here you go. Oh yeah, he swiped it. Here, take him.
What?
There's your first bass of the day.
prepare to embark upon the darkest voyage into the unknown in the history of mankind.
What is this? Ooh, this is actually a really nice finesse jig. Keeping this guy. Alright, made it back. Drove to a new spot on the lake. Got my little worm. Since the sun's out, I'm stuck on a tree, which is beautiful. Alright, we're good now. Whoa! What happened? You stuck in a tree? Huh. Did you get your eye?
No.
Oh, jeez. Where the hell is it?
I don't know, it's flying. Lucky it didn't hit me. I was just trying to snap it.
Holy f***, it's all the way back there.
Okay, let's break it. Ooh, it's in.
I don't know where the worm went.
It's probably in the bushes over there.
Oh, so you snapped it back and it
I was
came
trying
at
to
you.
snap it. It was over there and it flung back.
I switched it up to a craw looking bait. This is where I caught a couple of them on this guy. Looks like a sunfish, so I want to see if that'll make a difference. Yeet! Let's go! Yeet! Especially with all these weeds here, that'll probably be a little more realistic. Alright, well, it wasn't on record, but I caught one in the grass. Alright, buddy. A little dinker. Little guy. So, I'm gonna let him go. See you, guy. A little guy. Wow, this is the smallest bass I've probably ever caught. How the heck did he eat this thing? Yo, bro. Look at that. Same size. Alright, he's off. See ya! Trout pole, ultralight. So, it's not the greatest to rip out because it has no backbone. Come on. Eat it like a shark. They better, I want to see it demolish it. Yeah! Little guy though. Oh, they did not like this. He did not like that. It's a better one. It's not bleeding, so. Like, look at the size of this lure. And look at the size of these fish. Hey, they eat them. Alright, buddy. We're good to go. Whoa! Alright, see ya. He's coming back towards me. So we made it back home from the waters. Had a very, well, I don't want to say very successful, but we had a successful day. Had a couple catches here and there. Right after that lake, we went to get something to eat. And right after we got done eating, we actually went to Francis Slocum Lake. Before we went, it started raining a little bit, and that's one of the reasons I like Francis Slocum Lake. For some reason, when it rains there, catching bass is always easy. Don't know why, but that's the one lake I'll always go to when it's either there's going to be a storm front coming in or it's raining. I don't know why, but the bass go crazy for anything. I threw my topwater lure today the whole day. This is made by Mega Bass. It's a Dog X Diamante, and it has a rattle, which is really sweet. 3 nice treble hooks. Not the highest quality hook, because some of them are actually bent, but they are very sticky. So like I said, I'm probably gonna get a couple different types of these ones. If you're fishing the Northeast like I am, for some reason this is working. The bass do not like this lure at all. Small or big, as you saw today. If you guys like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and please comment. Thanks for watching.